Have you ever noticed that nature is fighting its way back into our concrete jungles? Today, we are exploring the revolutionary movement of urban rewilding, where cities like Singapore and Sydney are restoring wild ecosystems right in the heart of the metropolis to heal our planet. Urban rewilding aims to integrate living ecosystems into cities, blending nature and urban settings through vegetation and even returning animals. This approach seeks to establish a harmonious relationship with the natural world after our modern lifestyles have largely denatured our surroundings. These initiatives do not just plant trees, they restore areas to their uncultivated state and incorporate innovative architectural designs, despite different ideologies on the best methods. Experts agree that creating these wild zones is crucial for moderating local temperatures and improving overall public health. By integrating rewilding into urban environments, cities foster enhanced quality of life for residents. Access to these green spaces and direct exposure to nature has a profound positive impact on both physical health and mental well-being for everyone living nearby. Beyond human benefits, these wild areas provide critical habitats for wildlife to thrive. For so many people in dense populations, these rewilded zones will become their primary engagement with nature, bridging the gap between urban life and biodiversity. Ultimately, rewilding our cities is a vital part of the global response to climate change and biodiversity crises. These natural buffers cool the air and support life, proving that we can build smarter, greener future environments without sacrificing urban development. The fast return of nature underlined just how much our cities needed this shift. As we look forward, establishing these harmonious relationships with the natural world is no longer optional, but a necessity for sustainable urban living. So there you have it. Rewilding offers a path to healthier cities and thriving ecosystems. What is one nature spot in your city that needs restoration? Let me know in the comments below.